How to switch to professional account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can switch to professional account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to switch to a professional account on Instagram, all you have to do is open up the Instagram application and then you will see this type of interface. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Now make sure you don't have a private account, because private account can be converted to a professional account, so make sure it's a public account. Then tap on the three lines option there. Then all you have to do is simply look for the option that says account type and tools. So tap on account type and tools, switch to professional account, tap on continue, tap on continue, select the type of account that you want, then tap on done option. Now it will ask you to select a creator account or a business account, depending on what is it, you can select that, tap on continue, and once you've done that, your professional account will get successfully set up. That's all it takes to basically go ahead and then actually switch to professional account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.